magka-classes ng gabi. Baliw. Sana all baliw, di ba? Sino magsa-start classes ng gabi? To be honest with you guys, kilala ko lang yung MNL, but hindi ako fan before. Until parang nag-grow siya in me. Parang I also came to like it na, yung songs nila, especially yung first Rabbit nila. Doon talaga ako kuwang-kuha. So, parang yeah, from there, parang nag-grow na siya in me. And then, yeah, nag-open ng audition. So, why not try, diba? Tinay ko na din yung Lock.